In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add weight to a product on your Shopify store. This process is critical for accurate shipping calculations and inventory management. We'll show you how to add weight both for a single product and in bulk for multiple products. Let's start with the process for adding weight to a single product first. You'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Look for the left-hand menu on your dashboard. Spot the option labeled Products. Click on it. This will take you to the section where all your products are listed. Now search for the product you wish to modify. You can easily identify a product by its title. Click on it to situate yourself inside the product edit page. Take a moment to find where the shipping section is. It's usually towards the bottom half of the page. Upon arriving at the shipping section, you'll find a field labeled Weight. Inside this field, you'd be required to input the weight of your product. Make sure that the weight you punch in is accurate. Next, note that you must set the unit for your product weight. It could be in pounds, kilograms, ounces, or grams. You should choose the unit that applies to your product from the drop-down menu. After that, all you need to do is to seal your changes. You can accomplish this by navigating to the bottom of the page and clicking on Save. Things take a different turn when adding product weights in bulk. Head over to your Shopify admin panel once again, and just like before, click on Products from the sidebar menu. Now, instead of selecting one product, you will have to choose multiple products. You can achieve this by using the checkboxes situated next to each product. Once you have selected all the products you want to edit, go to the top of the product list and find the Bulk Edit button. Clicking on this button will present you some options for the edit. Now you will want to modify the layout slightly to suit your needs. Do this by clicking on Columns. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for Weight and also Requires Shipping, and check them so that each column is added to your view. Upon the addition of these columns, you can now comfortably input the weight of each product and select their respective units. After you're done entering all the required information, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Save button. This way, all the weights that you added will be applied to your chosen products. In summary, whether you're adding weight to a single product or bulking editing numerous products, the Shopify admin dashboard provides you with a very straightforward and quick process. It's important to remember to save your changes to lock in your data.